Hello friends, welcome back to new Lightroom tutorial. My favorite time of the year has finally come and I decided that I'm going to make the entire series dedicated to autumn. I'm going to make about 5 videos with 5 different edits because there is a lot of different ways how you can edit full pictures and I just couldn't pick one. So I'm going to show you 5 of them, and in this first one I'm going to show you how I edited this picture to make it look like this. If you want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So every time I open up Lightroom, I go straight to these basic adjustments to correct the image. It really depends on the image, if it's too dark, if it's too bright. You will use different adjustments. With this picture, I'm pretty okay how it looks. I think that the sky is a little bit too bright and I want to bring back more contrast, so that's what I'm going to do now. Warm it up a little bit. I will leave contrast and exposure and I will work only with these 4 adjustments. So highlights down, shadows up, white too, and let's bring blacks down. Okay, this is what we've done, and let's move to curves. I will start with RGB and work on this curve.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Let's see what we've done so far. This is the before, and this is the after. I mean, it looks already much better, and you can leave it here if you want. But I'm going to continue. And I want to say that curves are a very powerful tool. So be sure to play with them and experiment. But also be careful because you can easily overdo it with curves. Okay, so let's move to the next step. I'm going to use numbers because it's easier for me to follow my previous setup. So it's really the same. And in this picture, there is not a lot of blues and aquas, so I'm not really going to touch them. You can see that the sky is not blue, there is no water, and the lightning was pretty warm, so I'm only going to work with red, orange, yellow, and green. -12, -24, and minus 40, 54. And in luminance, I'm only going to work with orange. 23. Okay. So this is what we've done. And you can see that the picture is more of a on a green side and yellow. And after our adjustment, it's more red and orange. The next step is split toning, and it's very easy. On highlights, we are going to leave hue as it is and just move the saturation to 8. As well here on the shadows, but here we are going to move the hue as well up to 60. Okay, that's all we're going to do with split toning. This is the before and this is after. It just added a little pinch of that redness to the picture. And the last step is optional, you don't have to do it, but I like to add a little bit more grain to the picture so it has more vintage feel. Okay. After this, you can go back to the basic adjustments and just make sure that everything is right and as you want it. And I'm just going to use adjustment brush tool. And I'm going to highlight this area where the girl is, so it will pop a little bit more. I'm going to bring the exposure up and just paint over. Okay, I think that this is too much, so I'm going to bring it down. Okay, and add more highlights instead of the exposure, because exposure can be like too drastic sometimes, so I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, let's see before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. Just a small change, but it can make the picture look better. So for the last time, let's see what we've done with the image. Before and after. Thank you, friends, for watching. Please, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video in the series.